In primetime news this evening, 3 soldiers implicated in shooting death of Keith Clark walk free.
Court begins hearing application for transfer of the Mario Dean case.
And relief coming for motorists in Hanover. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome as well to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking jobs, and more jobs. Promises made to St. Thomas residents when the Morant Bay Urban Center is complete. Plus, Sagicor records significant increase in net profit. Those and more in the Business Day.
Looking forward to hear about those jobs. And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thanks, Anthony. Speaking of jobs, the Reggae Boys, they have one job this evening. That's beat USA in their CONCACAF Nations League quarterfinal match at the National Stadium. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Says the man who comes here with a red tie. Anyway, I'm happy that they get to play football in beautiful weather. Romain, what has happened?
Yes, General, we are expecting a partly cloudy night across the east tonight, but we still have some shower activity across sections of the west. We are looking also for a drier pattern to emerge across the central Caribbean as Sarah makes her way further towards the west.
Does that mean there's no rain tonight?
No rain tonight.
Okay.
No rain tonight. And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what are your views on the judge's ruling in the Keith Clark case?
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.